Hello friends, if you are up for solution of no more dull skin, then do give a try to this 3-step basic facial and I promise you, you won't regret. For the facial, you need take one large size of potato, peel it off and grate the potato. And with the help of muslin cloth, squeeze the potato juice. Once you having the potato juice, you have done half of the task. Divide this potato juice in 3 portions for the cleanser, scrub and mask. Wash your face and make sure there is no residue of dust or any makeup particle. For cleanser, you need a potato juice and add 1 tablespoon of dry milk powder. Mix well and make a paste consistency. Gently massage the cleanser with the help of fingertips. Wash off the face with cold water. For the scrub, take a potato juice, add 1 tablespoon of rice flour and add half tablespoon of raw milk or yogurt depending upon the type of your skin. Mix the ingredients and exfoliate gently all over your face and neck area to remove the dead cells on skin. Wash off your face and now spray rose water generously to your face. Let it dry naturally. For the mask, you need to take potato juice and fuller's earth, also known as multani mitti powder, and a honey. Make a smooth paste avoiding any lumps and apply the mask evenly all over your face. Let it dry completely for about 20 minutes and wash off your face. An additional and completely optional step is to take an ice cube and use on your face to give instant freshness and glow. This DIY facial helps you to brightens the skin, reduces inflammation, get rid of dark spots, fades out skin tan and no more dark circles. I ask you to prefer this potato facial over any other salon facial and you will be amazed with the results. Hope you liked the video. If so, give it a huge thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.